Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today, we'll be delving into the tendinosis of the distal semimembranosus tendon, specifically focusing on the manifestations of thickening and intratendinous cysts. The distal semimembranosus tendon shows thickening and the presence of intratendinous cysts, which are primarily seen along the direct and inferior, popliteal, arms. This presentation is indicative of tendinosis and intratendinous cyst formation. Let's explore the implications of these findings in the clinical setting. Semimembranosus insertion injuries. Injuries at the distal semimembranosus insertion are observed in up to 70% of posteromedial corner injuries. These can range from avulsion fractures at its tibial attachment to partial or complete tendon tears, as well as tendinosis. Pathophysiology of tendinosis. Tendinosis in this context is often the result of chronic stress, leading to thickening of the tendon insertion. This alteration in the tendon structure compromises its function and increases the susceptibility to further injury. Intratendinous ganglion cyst of the semimembranosus tendon. The etiology of intratendinous ganglion cysts remains somewhat unclear. However, it is postulated that recurrent injury leading to cystic degeneration might be a contributing factor. These cysts often coexist with conditions like tenosynovitis or associated tendon tears, which exacerbate the complexity of the clinical presentation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.